how would you describe Buffalo Airways?
Buffalo Airways is, well, we're not a lifeline. We're more of a line of traffic going north with groceries for people. So it's many things, but it was mentioned to me one time by Transport Canada inspector, it's really my hobby. 2 pitot covers, 5 locks, 2 pins, pea bottle, ready to go. My first DC-3 was it's in the Calgary Museum now, BZI. I bought that airplane so I could get licensed through the Canadian Transport Commission. I'll get in on the ice, I'll get in on the snow, get in on the muddy strips. We're in a remote area in a frontier land, and we can land there and get the job done, get the needs to the customer, be it mining or whatever. Now the big thing is, Schroeder or Ian was flying this airplane. They're much bigger than I am. So the seat's at the bottom and at the back. So I gotta tie myself into it. I gotta lift the seat up so I can see out. Adjust my pedals. Well, starting any radial engine, whether it be on a Beaver, Otter, or DC-3, Beechcraft, make sure it's pre-oiled and make sure the temperatures are right for start, and make sure you don't wash down the cylinders with too much fuel. You expect this engine to take care of you in some pretty far offshore and dark, dirty nights, so you really want to take good care of starting it so you don't damage it. Brought the gear back to neutral, and I pump up enough pressure. I want 250 pounds of pressure on there so I can lock up my brakes. Okay. Got to open the cow gills, no fuel pressure, no hydraulic pressure, I pump them open. Now they're open. One thing you can expect, flying DC-3, you're going to have dirty hands, and your shirt's going to have rips in it because everything in here is sharp. And so you can tell how many rips you got in your shirt, how long you've been in the airplane. Clear on 2. Okay, clear 2, we got fuel pump, on a pressure, throw the clothes, pitch, mix. So you go the HTMPFCC prior to start, which is really the pre-start checklist, which I just did. Checklist change in DC-3 is because as things evolve through navigation, satellite, it's gone from the old school to the new school of instrumentation, which is more computerized. And now I'm going to start the right engine first, so I'll be turning it over. I got to count 12 blades. One thing about flying, you got to be able to count. You need 12 blades. That's 10, 11, 12. Mag switch is on. RPM and 90 pounds of pressure. Fuel pressure is good. Oil pressure is up 90 pounds. Second fuel backup one's on. We're turning the engine over 12 times for the oil in the bottom cylinders to non-hydraulic. Primer. Fuel pressure's up. Oil pressure's coming up. 90 pounds oil pressure.
Yeah, we're right taxi Delta. I'm requesting a runway 28 departure. That's okay with you.
Trainer 1, the wind 15011. Occasionally gusting a bit higher. Taxi Bravo Charlie for 28. Towers 1185.
Okay, we're on our way to Charlie and also 209 tower.
Okay, Charles are set.
For 165230.
Right, and after start and taxi check are complete.
request on departure?
Yeah, we'd like a left turn, and then we'd like to head sort of towards Delta, then before we get to the shoreline, we head north to the bridge.
Trainer 1, roger. If there's a helicopter landing on the west side, once they're down here right away, I'll get you going.
Okay, thank you.
To the lake shore, and then you're going to follow it around and up to the bridge. Is that sort of the plan?
That's sort of the plan, yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Trainer 1, well, I got you then. Squawk 0444.
0444 to squawk from Trainer 1.
Trainer 1, thanks. The A-Star is just touching down at the Forester pad off your departure end. Well clear. Left turn out. Wind 15011, clear takeoff from runway 28.
Yeah, we're clear to go for Trainer 1. Okay, what I want.
So there's two very distinct types of people. Are you here to fly DC-3? Are you here to build time and get your licenses up? Are you here because your dad wants you to fly a DC-3 because he didn't? There's many reasons that they're here, and as soon as you figure out why they're here, you'll distinguish how well they fly the airplane.